Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So in today's video, I'll show you how you can cancel this code Nitro on your PC. So let's get started by opening your Discord application or simply opening a Chrome browser and then in the search bar search for discord.com. Once you search for it, go ahead and log into your account. Once logged in, simply tap on user settings. Then inside here scroll below, then tap on subscription under payment settings. And at the top of the page, you'll then be able to find an option to cancel. Go ahead and click on cancel next to your Discord Nitro plan and you will be taken to a new page. Scroll all the way down to the bottom of this page and only at the bottom you'll see continue to cancel button and click that to proceed. In my case, I don't have any subscription, but I'm sure you do have that option. So after that, you'll see your billing period and confirmation option. Click confirm to finalize the cancellation, and after that, Discord will ask why you are canceling. Pick a reason or select other and submit. Once done, your subscription page will show resubscribe and the date your Nitro subscription will end. And that's it. Your credit card won't be charged anymore. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and sub, and I'll see you in the next one.